If you're tired of digging through folders every time you want to watch your favorite movies or listen to your music, let me show you how to set up a fully organized media library in VLC Media Player. By the end of this video, you'll know how to keep all your media files just a click away. No more searching, no more hassle. Everything neat and ready when you need it. Let's get right into it. First things first, we need to enable the media library feature in VLC. If you've never done this before, don't worry. It's a quick process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Start by opening VLC Media Player. At the top, you'll see the menu bar. Click on Tools, and then select Preferences. If you've never dug deep into VLC's settings, you might only see the basic options. To unlock more choices, look at the bottom left of the Preferences window and click Show All. This reveals VLC's full set of features, making it easier to fine-tune how your player works. Now, in the left-hand menu, scroll down until you find Playlist. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a bunch of options, but the one we want is Use Media Library. Check the box next to this option. This tells VLC that you'd like to activate its built-in library organizer. Before closing anything, click Save. Now, this part is pretty important. You'll need to restart VLC so that your new settings take effect. Just close VLC and open it again. Don't worry if it seems like nothing changed right away. Once we add some folders, you'll see the difference. All right. Now that VLC's media library is enabled, let's start populating it with your favorite media. You'll notice a new icon on the left-hand sidebar. This is your media library. Click on it to open the playlist view. Here's where things get fun. If the screen looks a little empty, don't worry. It just means you haven't added anything yet. To start, right-click anywhere in the main area of the media library view. You'll see an option for Add Folder. Go ahead and click that. A window will pop up so you can browse your computer. Navigate to the folder where you keep your media files. Maybe it's your movies folder, or perhaps you have a music collection stashed away. Select the folder you want to add, then click Select Folder. Don't worry if you have files scattered over different locations. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. Just keep adding folders until all your media is neatly in one place. If you're the kind of person who prefers to work fast, here's a handy shortcut. You can simply drag and drop files or entire folders directly from wherever they're stored on your computer into the VLC playlist window. It's super intuitive and it lets you build your collection on the fly. This is perfect if you've just downloaded something new and want it instantly available in your media library. And that's all there is to it. You've unlocked VLC's media library and started building your collection, making your viewing and listening experience much smoother. If you ran into any issues or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always here to help out. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want more tips and walkthroughs like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized media library.